I'm going to be talking to you about how we won the account reactivation for an Amazon seller after Amazon failed or was unable to verify the source of the products. Amazon sellers. Amazon increased the number of wholesalers, the number of brands, and the number of sources of your products dramatically over the last year or the last 2 years, where more and more often Amazon is picking up the phone and calling the sources of your products. Well, as Amazon makes more and more phone calls to the sources of your products, there are more and more sources of your products that don't pick up the call or don't call Amazon back. So we are winning the reactivation of these accounts. We're winning the reactivation of the listings that are affected by this process, even when Amazon cannot verify the source of your products. How are we doing this? We're doing it with great documentation, coupled with concise and persuasive plans of action. These cases are often not won with the very first plan of action, but when we receive a response back from Amazon that it has been unable to verify your source, the second draft that's going out to Amazon is concise, it is well written, and it also is backed up by documentation and exactly where you're sourcing your products from, and when possible, information showing Amazon how your source of the products can be linked all the way back to the manufacturer. If you want us to help you with your account deactivation, with your product deactivation, with used, sold as new, or any other issue you're facing on Amazon, contact me in any one of these 4 ways, and either we will pick up your call right when it rings, or me or a member of my team will get back to you as soon as possible.